long division method. Children, now I will tell you how we divide using multiplication tables. Children, you should learn multiplication tables. It is very useful in multiplication and division. Let us now divide 21 divided by 7 using the multiplication tables. Now divide 24 by 6 using multiplication tables. Children, we can also divide numbers by another method which is called long division method. Children, here you will see a new term, remainder. Sometimes in division, we may not be able to equally group or equally share all the objects. Something might be left over. The number that is left over is called the remainder. So children, always remember that remainder is always less than the divisor. Children, you know you can also check if your division is correct or not. How? I will tell you. For this, we multiply the divisor and the quotient. We add the product so obtained to the remainder. If the answer is the dividend, then the division is correct. Now let us find 63 divided by 3. Arrange the numbers as shown. Divide the tens by 3. We know 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So we write 2 in tens place of the quotient and 6 below 6. Subtract 6 from 6. Now bring down 3 and divide it by 3. We know 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So write 1 in the ones place of the quotient and 3 below 3. Subtract 3 from 3. So we get 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21 and remainder is equal to 0. Similarly, you can do this. 89 divided by 4. We can check the answer of the division by division algorithm given here. Similarly, you can divide 3-digit numbers by a 1-digit number. Let us find 484 divided by 4. Arrange the number as shown. Divide the hundreds by 4. We know 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So write 1 in the hundreds place of the quotient and 4 below 4. Subtract 4 from 4. Now bring down 8 and divide it by 4. We know 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So write 2 in the tens place of the quotient and 8 below 8. Subtract 8 from 8. Bring down 4 and divide it by 4. We know 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So write 1 in the ones place of the quotient and 4 below 4 and subtract 4 from 4. So we get 484 divided by 4 is equal to 121 and the remainder is equal to 0. Let us take one more example of division of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us find 594 divided by 6. Arrange the numbers as shown. Divide 500s by 6. Since 6 into 1 is equal to 6, but 6 is greater than 5. So we take 6 into 0 is equal to 0. Write 0 in the hundreds place of the quotient and 0 below 5. Subtract 0 from 5. Bring down 9 and divide 59 by 6. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So write 9 in the tens place of the quotient and 54 below 59. Subtract 54 from 59. Bring down 4 and divide 54 by 6. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. So write 9 in the ones place of the quotient and 54 below 54. Subtract 54 from 54. So we get 594 divided by 6 is equal to 99 and remainder is equal to 0. Now we will take an example in which we get a remainder. Let us find 638 divided by 5. Steps of this division one by one. Now we check our answer by the algorithm. Let us now divide by 10 and 100. Let us divide 75 by 10. Let us divide 483 by 10. We see that when a number or a dividend is divided by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit from the number or the dividend, and the digits at ones place is the remainder. So let us divide 452 by 100. We see that when a number or dividend is divided by 100, the quotient is obtained by removing the last two digits on the extreme right of the number or the dividend. The number formed by these last two digits is the remainder. Children, in our daily life we come across the problems where we use the concept of division. Now let us take some examples of such types of problems. A chocolate costs 6 rupees. How many chocolates can be bought for 90 rupees? Let us take another example. 392 flags were distributed equally among 7 schools. How many flags were given to each school? Clearly, to find number of flags given to each school, we divide the total number of flags by total number of schools.